Hey, RV Jerry here. Just a quick word on battery maintenance. I found some battery caps that are really neat. Going to save me a lot of time. Won't have to grab the flashlight and the mirror. So these are cool. I'm going to open the door here and give you a show. All right. These are the caps. They're really cool. I've got standard batteries here. They're 6-volt, connected with the. This is the one, the small cable which connects the two batteries together to make them 12-volt, and then these heavier double-aught goes up here and feeds power into the system here. The system is up here, and it's even a heavier one. It's oh, that's a 2-aught. Okay, I guess the other one's a 1-aught. So replace these, and since I was doing it, I made it like it's supposed to be. The red ones are positive. They had all black ones in here. Came like that. I cleaned up all the terminals, but these are really neat. I used to have to grab my mirror and flashlight. There we go. And this is all these little goodies are. They go down and stay afloat wherever the water is. So I fill the batteries, all the cells with water, so they should all be pretty close to the top. Really neat little goodies there. See that back one's down a little. I probably didn't get it completely full, or I got these other ones a little bit above the bottom of the cap filler tube there. I do have a problem with this battery going low first. This water back here always goes low first, and this would be the battery that would go bad first, just because the water would go out. So I started watching that, and I replaced all these batteries 3 years ago. So now we have nice clean batteries, and I can look at the water levels really easy. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. I am going to get back on the paint job. For those of you waiting to see me finish painting this thing, coming up here, the weather's just about to settle down. Temperatures are coming up a little bit, so we're gonna, me and my paint gun, when I say we're, gonna get back on this paint job and finish it up. We really like the color, so we got more of the same paint, some lighter color, and well, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and you can watch me paint this. It'll probably take me a couple months to get all done, because you put a little piece on, let it dry, and I've got to put primer under it. I didn't put primer under this, and I used like 3 times as much paint to get it to color, the color to cover the brown and the white that's on there. It's like 3 real white, yellow white, and this pewter color. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you, the great discovery of those battery caps. So get you some. I think they were like shipping and everything. That would be 1, 2, 3, 12 of them for the 3 on each of the batteries. There's 4 batteries, so they came in a package of 6 in a pack, and I think there is $17–18 a piece. So plus the shipping, and that's it. Okay, thanks. This is RVJ. Thanks for watching.